Welcome to Nevados de Chillan. Nevados de Chillan is located in Chile, with its capital Santiago de Chile. It belongs to Ñuble Región, commune of Pinto, 85 kilometers from the city of Chillan. From Santiago are approximately, by vehicle, 5 to 6 hours, and Concepcion Airport, 3.5 hours. The resort is located in the center of the Andes Mountains, cataloged as the Catedral del Powder. We have the longest track in South America, named Tres Marias, 13 kilometers of longest, 10,000 hectares of skiable area, 12 lifts, more than 30 ski slopes for different levels. The ski center has been recognized for 3 times consecutive years by World Ski Awards as the best ski center in Chile and one of the 25 internationally level. Winter in Nevados de Chillan is a time of strong tourist demand since it's considered a paradise for practicing white sports. The Alto Nevados Hotel is built in a strategic point of the mountain. It's a modern architectural work. It is a 5-floor building with access to slopes in the upper area of the ski mountain. Have a capacity of 240 passengers, offers fun and unique preparations, accompanied by a special selection of national vineyards with 99 fully equipped rooms. Hotel Nevados de Chillan is located in the middle of the Asian forest, access to ski slope, 70 rooms with central heating, a warm and welcoming environment of the whole family. The hotel has 2 thermal pools. After trekking and enjoying exquisite waters with benefits for your body and healthy. Have a modern restaurant with avant-garde gastronomy makes each meal an experience. Then we have the thermal water park, have 3 outdoor pools and 1 indoor pool. Have a pool bar, restaurant and cafeteria and sulfur steam room with a privileged view of the mountain. Nevados de Chillan is operated all year, run with different mountain activities. For example, we have the championship of Tres Marias, who move along the longest track in South America, the ladies' snow camp only for girls, who enjoy 2 days of entertaining to improve technique and learn new tricks. There are also outdoor activities, slab lining, cable sliding through Asian forest, horseback riding, chairlift and buggy rides, trekking and rappelling. In winter, we have snowshoes rides and snowmobiles. In general, there are activities for the whole family. The bike park that opened in summer has 5,000 hectares, 2 lifts and 12 tracks. We also have 5 enduro trails, 2 cross-country tracks, school and mini-school mountain bike, rental of bikes and enduro equipment, mountain bike shop and repair. Then we say goodbye with a video of our resort. Welcome to Nevados de Chillan.
As I look out, you're warning me. Your thoughts devour my point of view. the line.